Hey friends, if you wish to print a list of files and folders in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now let's say that we have this folder here and I wish to print the details of this folder. So I will simply go to the address bar and type cmd and hit enter. This will open command prompt such that it will take me to the folder in command prompt. Now I have a command for you. I'll tell you what the command is basically. It is dir space greater than symbol and then space and then the name of the text file that you wish to create. Now I have named it list.txt. You can name it anything that you want to, or simply just copy paste this command and hit enter. This will generate a file in the same folder with the details of the path and everything, and all you need to do after that is to print it. So you can click on this file symbol here and you can print it using your printer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.